Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Argo Academic Care. I am here with the model answer of 6th week home science assignment of class 8 English version. One thing to say you, subscribe our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and click on the black button if you don't want any notification. Let's we see the question first. Now we see the creative question 1. Here the question is the passage is, recently Karim uncle came from abroad and stayed at his house for 2 weeks. Since there was no problem, he started অ্যাসোসিয়েটিং উইথ আদার মেম্বার্স। অর্থাৎ সাম্প্রতিক করিম চাচা বিদেশ থেকে আসলেন এবং তিনি 2 সপ্তাহ নিজের ঘরে অবস্থান করলেন। তো পরবর্তীতে কোনো প্রবলেম না দেখে, সমস্যা না দেখে তিনি পরিবারের অন্যান্য সদস্যদের সাথে মিশতে শুরু করলেন। এখন আমরা এই কোশ্চেন এবং অ্যান্সারগুলো একসাথে দেখে নেব। আমরা দেখি এখানে 2টা কোশ্চেন আছে। ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেন 1-এর এ নম্বর কোশ্চেনটা ছিল, স্টিমুলাস রিফার্স টু দ্য অ্যাওয়ারনেস অফ হুইচ ডিজিজ, এক্সপ্লেইন দিস অ্যান্সার। এটা বোঝার সুবিধার্থে আমরা একটু আন্ডারলাইন করে নিয়েছি। এখানে অ্যান্সার, দ্য স্টিমুলাস হ্যাজ বিন রেফার্ড টু অ্যাজ করোনা ভাইরাস, I mean COVID-19 disease awareness. It is explained below. Experts has confirmed that the virus can spread rapidly from one person to another. Coronavirus infects the lungs of humans and is transmitted from one person to another through the respiratory tract. It is also found in various animals, cats and bats. In addition to humans, the virus was first identified recently in a city called Wuhan, China. There are the symptoms of coronavirus: fever, cough, shortness of breath and pneumonia. Point 3, organ failure or paralysis of various organs of the body. After the virus enters the body, it takes about 5 days for the symptoms to appear. The first symptom is fever. Then came a dry cough. Within a week, there was shortness of breath. When Karim's uncle came home from abroad, he stayed alone in his house for 2 weeks because he did not want any member of his family to be infected with the coronavirus. Question B. How to prevent the disease of the stimulus? Evaluate in the current situation. ওকে, এটা আমরা কীভাবে প্রতিরোধ করতে পারি? অ্যান্সার, দ্য ওয়ে ইন হুইচ দ্য স্টিমুলাস ডিজিজ ক্যান বি প্রিভেন্ট ইজ evaluated below in the light of the current situation. Corona is a contagious virus. The virus is transmitted from animals. COVID-19, SARS and SARS homologous coronavirus infectious are currently seen in several countries of the world. 100 degree Fahrenheit or above 38 degree Celsius fever, sore throat, cough and shortness of breath may be associated with the possibility of infection with the COVID-19 virus. Take natural and preventive measures to stay free from the risk of this. The following is a way to prevent this virus. Number 1, must be at least 2 hands away from the infected person. Number 2, repeatedly wash your hands with soap and water as needed, especially if you come in contact with an infected person or travel to the site of infection. Number 3, stay away from living or dead pets or wildlife. Number 4, travelers should practice coughing Etiquette when infected: keep distance from the infected person, cover face while sneezing, coughing, wash hand, do not throw cough where there is. Uh, Next, we see the question number 2. The question number 2. Create a disease name and preventive vaccine chart. Answer: disease prevention is better than cure. The government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh Extended Immunization Program অর্থাৎ EPI is an important and timely step. The following is the name of the disease and the preventive vaccine chart. BCG vaccine. BCG vaccine is given for tuberculosis. After this vaccination, the place of vaccination becomes red and swollen. After another 2-3 weeks, there may be hard grains and sores. OPV vaccine. The OPV, all polio vaccine prevents poliomyelitis. এরপরে আমরা দেখব হচ্ছে pentavalent vaccine. This vaccine prevents 5 diseases such as diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, hepatitis B, and Haemophilus influenza B. This vaccine should be given to all women between the ages of 15 and 49 and to children who have had seizures after receiving the DPT or pentavalent vaccine. Question 3. What precautions should be taken if you are a victim of sexual harassment? Answer: usually there is a little bit of privacy, a little bit of restraint in sexual conversations. There are many cases of sexual harassment around us. Sexual harassment can happen at any age. However, these incidents are more likely to occur in adolescents. The precautions to taken in case of sexual harassment are: number 1, never be alone at home. Number 2, not wearing clothes that attract others. Number 3, not going out with strangers. Number 4, if you feel bad touch, you must inform your parents immediately. Number 5, to avoid or abandon a familiar or unfamiliar person if he touches her. Number 6, tactically ignoring the harassment of the talented group in the neighborhood without directly responding. Now we see the pages of next creative question. Munna is 4th class student. She likes to eat very much. She likes chocolate, chips and drinks very much. Lately, he is out of breath when he goes up the stairs, cannot play on the field with friends. Tired of a little hard work, his mother took refuge in nutritionist. Now follow the question. Explain the cause of the stimulus boy's problem. Answer: the problem with the stimulus boy is overweight. In a word, being overweight means gaining excessive weight day by day. There are lower and upper limits of normal weight for every age. Obesity occurs when body weight exceeds the weight limit set for that age. The causes of overweight are: the main cause of weight gain in overeating. If we consume more calorie-rich food than the body needs every day and work less and lead one uncontrolled life, then these extra calories will accumulate in our body and gradually increase the body weight. Weight gain will be result of uncontrolled excessive weight. Next, we see the question 4b. Analyze the way to overcome Munna's problem. Here the answer. Munna's problem is overweight. being gaining excessive weight day by day is called overweight. Munna likes to eat very much. He eats a lot of chips, chocolate, drinks due to which there is a problem in his movement, shortness of breath with little effort, cannot play, etc. So below are the ways to overcome Munna's problem. Number 1, every day he should eat enough vegetables, seasonal fruits, picked foods. Number 2, abstain from calories or fats. Number 3, instead of soft drinks, he should make a habit of eating coconut water and juicy fruits. Number 4, make it a habit to exercise regularly and play sports. Number 5, we should maintain a healthy life. সো স্টুডেন্টস, এই পর্যন্তই তোমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট অ্যান্সার। তো তোমরা সবাই এটা ভালোভাবে ফলো করবে। কোনো কিছু না বুঝতে পারলে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করবে, সেখান থেকে আমরা এগুলো সলভ করে দেব। আর অবশ্যই তোমরা আর্গো একাডেমিক কেয়ার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটাতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবে। পরবর্তী অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট এবং আদার্স অন্যান্য যে বিষয়গুলো তোমাদের শেখার উদ্দেশ্যে এখানে দেওয়া হবে সেগুলো জানার জন্য এবং সঠিক সময়ে এগুলো পাওয়ার জন্য। তো ঠিক আছে, সবাই অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে এবং বেল বাটনে ক্লিক করবে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।